Hi, today we are going to do a realistic apple. So here how we draw something on paper. First with pencil, draw an apple first with brush tool. Now select color of apple and fill slowly. Take a new layer and paint the next color layer. Go to the Layers panel. Click the eye icon beside the drawing layer to hide it temporarily. Don't forget to take new layers every time. Just like we use a brush for color, we need to do the same here. Every stroke should look identical. Maintain proper light and shadow for realism. Use highlights to make the design look more natural. In this tutorial, I'm using maximum brush effects. The only adjustments needed are brush size and opacity, depending on the situation. Here I'm using the mixer brush tool. This tool helps us paint seamlessly because it allows full control over color wetness, how much paint to load, how much to mix, and the flow. Everything can be adjusted here. If you'd like to learn specifically about the effects of this tool, drop a comment. I'll make a separate video on it. Use the pen tool to draw the apple stem precisely. Fill the color using the mixer brush tool for smooth blending. Use the lasso tool to draw the highlight area, then fill it with color accordingly. Work from lighter tones to darker ones step by step, similar to acrylic painting. Follow the tool panel to understand the options more clearly. Now you can see that each layer is separate. I'm switching the layers on and off to give you a clearer understanding. First, select the layers. Then press Ctrl+G to group them so you can manage them more efficiently. Press Ctrl+A to select the canvas. Then use Shift+Ctrl+C to copy the layer. Next, select the layer where you want to paste it, and press Ctrl+V. Choose the apple layer, open Filter, and use Liquify to refine the form. Now we're going to create water drops on the apple. The detailed water drop tutorial link is in the description. You can visit it and watch for a step-by-step guide. Create one drop, then duplicate it into multiple drops by right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate Group, or simply press Ctrl+J to duplicate the group. Add a background layer for realism. Position the apple, duplicate the apple layer, flip it vertically. For vertical effect, go to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical, then move it below the parent layer and lower the opacity for a reflection effect. Now you can see the result. The apple sits naturally on the background, and the flipped duplicate layer beneath it with reduced opacity creates a subtle reflection effect. This final touch makes the whole composition look more realistic and polished. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.